In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what you'll see on each screen, and how to complete your upgrade smoothly. Start inside your ChatGPT interface and look to the bottom left corner. That's where you'll find your profile icon. Click that profile icon to open a quick menu, then select Settings. This opens a panel where you can adjust your preferences. From here, click on the Account section. In Account, you'll see an Upgrade button. Go ahead and click it. This takes you to the Plans page where all available options are displayed. On this page, you'll typically see several choices, including plans like Plus, Go, and Pro. These represent different tiers with varying levels of access and benefits. If you're considering options for a larger team, look for the Business tab at the top of the same page. Switching to the Business tab will show plans tailored for organizations, with features designed for team use and administration. Take a moment to read the brief summaries on each plan so you can match the level of features and usage that best fits your needs. Once you've compared what's available, choose the plan you want. After you click your choice, give it a moment to load the checkout screen. Here's where you'll set up your payment method. You'll be prompted to enter standard billing information, such as your card details and billing address. For your privacy and security, enter only your own information and make sure it's accurate. Double-check the plan name, the price, and the billing frequency shown on the page so you know exactly what you're agreeing to before you continue. When everything looks correct, proceed to fill out your payment details. If the form offers fields for things like promo codes or tax information, complete those only if they apply to you. Keep in mind that the exact fields can vary by region, so just follow the prompts on your screen. When you're ready, hit subscribe to confirm. The page may take a moment to process while your payment is verified. Stay on the screen until you see confirmation that the subscription is active. That's it. You started at the bottom left, opened your profile, went into Settings, clicked Account, used the Upgrade button, reviewed the available plans including the Business tab, chose the one you wanted, set up your payment method, entered your details, and clicked Subscribe. You're now upgraded and ready to enjoy your selected plan.